This is the uterus. Ayan na yung sac, ha? Oh, so you have an intrauterine pregnancy, not an ectopic. Nice. There is that little embryo. Oh, meron na tayong nakikita. Oh, ayan, tingnan mo. Uy, ayun na siya.
Lumaki na.
Lumaki na siya. Magalaw. Kamay na.
Ay, oo nga.
Oh my gosh.
Meron na rin pa. Ayan. See the face?
Oh my gosh.
Pag malaki na ang baby mo after 20 weeks, I can tell you myself, oh, yan yung legs niya naka-cross. Ayan yung toes, no? Okay, those are the knees, okay? That's the umbilical cord, okay? Paket dyan sa baby. I think I have a guess, but I won't tell you.
And
A girl.
yes. It's a girl. Did I tell you anything at 12 weeks?
No. We're just looking now.
You have to look in between the legs.
Yeah.
That is a female organ, okay?
Yes.
Kasi kung lalaki yan, may nakalawit dito. Eh, walang nakalawit eh. Okay?
Ready na sila. Yung kama ko mas malaki. Ano nangyari?
Nagsisimula na siya.
Sisimula na.
Pero sabi, huwag ka daw mag-focus sa pain.
Okay.
Isipin ko na lang. Magandang bata paglabas.
Yes. So mag-aalas 7.
Nagle-labor.
Labor na.
Dito kami sa delivery room.
Lumipat
Masakit na siya. Tapos i-break yung water. Pero masakit na talaga siya.
Later, nandiyan na si baby.
May lip gloss. May ano pa ako, may lip tint.
Wala na. Gusto mo? Sabi it.
More pain, more chances of winning. Or ano, less time. Tapos winner ka na agad.
Orange. Okay. Good. Ayan.
Ayoko na.
Hi.
Start ng IV. Fluid. Baby. Galingan mo. Galingan mo, mag-push ka din anak, ha? Para mabilis lang tayo.
na siya. Zombie na, zombie. Saya ka pa, ha?
Mamaya ka.
Mamaya ka.
May belt pa po. Ang laki ng diaper ko.
Tingin dito, harap dito. Ayan.
Dito pa siya, ha? Dito pa.
Hey, yeah, lovely. It means you still can tolerate this pain. Okay, that's why this is labor. Okay. Yeah.
You consent to the administration of other medications as necessary. If your blood pressure comes down, we'll give you medicines to bring your blood pressure, so stuff like that. That's it, and that's your name. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to clean your back first. So this is a wet sponge. So you feel it a little bit cold and wet, okay?
Okay, you have to just bend your back like me. Chin on your chest, drop your shoulder. Give a good position. You'll be fine in 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Like, yeah, chin on your chest, drop your shoulder, push your back as much as you can. I know
Yeah, that's a good
Yeah,
position,
okay, perfect.
That's a good
Good
position.
job.
Just make sure you just relax your shoulders,
Yeah.
okay? That.
Drop your shoulder. Relax. Yeah.
And try to be in the middle because your head, yeah, that's it. And chin to your chest. It's just a clean towel, okay? Local. Do you have contraction now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now remember, just relax your whole back and your shoulders, chin to your chest. That's it. I'm just going to feel your bones. So I'm going to dig my fingers in a little bit deep, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I have to press really hard to find your bones. Okay, I'm going to give you a very, very small injection. Okay, so sharp scratch. The medicine stings a little bit when it goes in, but it's all going to be nice. No. So if you do that, thing is, I will not be able to find the space.
Oh.
So just relax your back as much as you can. Okay, and push your back out towards me. That's beautiful.
Okay.
That's it.
Try
So
to be in this
it's going to feel your back
position.
again because the positions would have changed now. No, you're tightening your muscle. That's it.
Relax, relax.
Yeah, so when you tighten your muscle, I will not be able to feel the space, you see.
Do you want the being forward or
This is fine.
it's fine? Okay, don't move that way.
So try and be in that position now, okay?
Don't move.
That's not a good idea.
Don't.
No, why you move
No,
your
no,
head?
just be there, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it's all done. No more drilling your back. You can now relax.
Okay.
Right down here.
Yeah, done,
Nice.
but still we have to fix it, okay? The catheter, yeah, is there and needle is out.
So I'm just going to give you the top up now. You will feel something cold going down your back when this goes in. You feel that?
Oh, yes, yes.
So like we said, it will start kicking in about 15 minutes, but it's not like the pain will go away just like that. So each and every contraction will be better and better till you don't feel anything. All right? So procedure at 58 for the timeout and stuff. So we did the timeout at maybe 5 minutes past. See you later then.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, vlogger yan. We just had our epidural 15 minutes ago.
Yes, around 8 o'clock exactly natapos siya sa epidural niya.
And hopefully it will help me to have less pain. Yeah.
It's helping.
I think yeah, it's already effective.
Affecting the...
Oh, kasi
So,
the pain is tolerable now compared to earlier na after breakfast. Sobrang
sakit. Oh, ngayon okay na.
Carry bells na.
Yes. Nakangiti na siya ulit.
Nakanta pa nga ako kanina.
So, naka-ready na lahat. Around, sabi ni doctor, around
Lunch time.
lunch or after.
Mag-push na.
So, pupush na. Tapos lalabas na si baby. So, ngayon, pahinga muna.
Pahinga muna.
And
Pahinga
then,
muna anak.
and then game.
Ayan naman.
Yan na naman.
We keep on testing checking yung ano ko, blood.
So, meron na siyang epidural sa likod niya na nakaturo. And this one, ano to, mahal?
Ayan, yung IV.
Yung IV.
Fluid.
Yan siya. Tapos, minomonitor na nila yung blood pressure every 5 minutes.
Saka yung heartbeat ni baby.
And heartbeat ni baby, which is nandito. Recorded lahat.
Yeah.
Later makikita na natin siya.
Maganda naman ang mga nangyayari yung bagay-bagay.
Yes. So, yung epidural nasa spine space.
Space, not the bone.
Yes, it's on the space. So, it's the explanation is, for example, this is the spine. And this side, where it's bending.
Sa space lang.
Sa space lang.
Hindi
It's
sa
not on the
bone,
spinal cord. Yes. So, yun. So, maya-maya, hindi
At
ko...
hindi naman ganun ka sakit na.
Kasakit, oo.
No, parang tinusok ka lang din ng kinuhanan ka ng blood. Parang ganun.
So, maya-maya, hindi ko na mara-record yung paglabas ng baby. Kasi bawal na siyang i-video during
The pushing
the
time.
push. So,
Push ko lang to, girl.
ayan.
Mamaya ulit.
Paglabas na ni baby yung next. Makikita natin, may baby na dyan. Yes. Pahinga lang. Bye-bye.
Smile pa.
So, oras ay alas 2 pasado na. And, nag-start ng 6 a.m. Tama, no? Now it's 2 p.m.
Ayun na naman.
Ayan na naman.
Oh.
I think malapit na.
Oh. Wow.
Konting tiis na lang.
Bakit naman? Ang gawa ko.
Malapit ng mga anak, kaya nagpapaganda na. Malapit nang mag-push. Oras ay mag-alas 3 na. Ganda, oh. Oh. Nax. Very good. Sige, push mo yan. After ng top up, tulog na siya ulit. Top up ng anesthesia na mas malakas. It's been 12 hours. 12 hours na labor. Okay, so mag-alas 10 na ng gabi. And the baby is in position. Tatawagin na rin si doctor para sa delivery. Ready ka na? Happy? Ready na. Konting push na lang, ha? Ayan, kaya mo yan. Oh. Oh. Very good. Yes. Yes, Daddy is here. Very good. Natahimik siya pag kinakausap ko eh. Yes. Oh. Oh. Thank you.
Welcome to the world.
Yes, baby. Yes. Oh, very good. Oh, wow. Very good.
I'm going. That's fine. I just need
Oh. Very good. Oh, she's a good girl. Oh. Oh. Very good. Oh, that's the placenta. Ay, sis. It's big.
It's almost as big as a baby.
Yeah. Isa. Very good. Very good. Nakuha niya yung ano ko, nails ko. Mahahaba. Ang mukha, sa'yo. Sa'yo lahat yung mukha. Pati ilong. Baby. Ay, good girl, oh. Baby. Ah, ang ganda naman ay. Oh. Yes. Good girl yan. Yes. Very good. Baby, there's mommy. Yes. I know you will cry. I wanna record it. So, smile ka pa, ha? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Haba. Oh. She felt it. Oh, no. May luha. Okay. Come on, cry.
And sing. Baby ko.
Parang siya nagkikimkim ng sama ng loob.
Hindi mo na picture na nasa akin siya.
Ha?
Hindi mo siya na picture na.
Wala, nagkat ako eh.
Oo nga.
Okay. Oh, may luha.
Really, that's the normal delivery of that.
Yes. Very good. Ay. Very good.
Baka hindi ka napapasok sa office niya. Sa kanya ka na lang. You happy?
Yes.
You have a short vest for her to wear inside, like something to cover her chest,
Oh, yeah.
like a vest.
Left eye is all right eye.
Ay. Yung kakulay ng sombrero.
Yan eh, satwan. Hindi, ano yun? Ay, for the soda? Hindi, yun na. Andun na.
Yung pink na yan.
Ang kulay naman. Asus! There you go.
Dramatic. Picture mo yan.
Good morning. My name is Eliza Celestine. Halika na dito, baby. May daddy ka na.
Fresh na po ako na.
Fresh ka na. Fresh baby na yan.
Day ka na today?
Huh?
One day ka na this time?
Baby, having hiccups.
Hiccups. No? Mami ko ba to? Oh, nag-hiccup. Nakatingin ka sa akin, ha? Kala mo nakikita mo ko, ah. Ha? Whoop! 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 Oh, mo, matutulog na agad.
Nakain ka pa.
Hindi ka pa tapos.
Liza.
Hmm?
We're home now. Baby's home. Oh,
We're home.
she's home. Ayusin ko lang yung kuna mo. Your crib and then you're going to sleep here.